All right, I'm going to work out day 19 Averager. Here we go. Put your name in a comment at the top. Ask the user to enter a series of integers using a while loop. Well, we better make a scanner. Scanner, scan equals new scanner system.in. And if we're going to do a bunch of numbers, we have to know how many there are. Int count equals 0. And we need a place to store them. Int sum, let's say total, equals 0. And I think what I'll do is say while true. This will repeat forever, but I'm going to use a break call to get out of here. So, I'm thinking about it. The other way to do it is to trigger off the entry variable, but I'm just going to do this. So, system.out.println, and I'm going to go down and just grab what I had. We're averaging a bunch of numbers, enter a number or 0 to finish. I'm trying to select it. I don't know why. It just looks so funny. Fine. I will just type it. We're averaging a bunch of numbers. I'm going to go to a new line and a tab. And then I said enter a number. Enter a number or 0 to finish. Okay. And I think I'm just going to do print this time so that it's like on the end of that line. And then I'm going to check. So int entry equals scan.next int. That's how we get the number from the user. And here we will do if entry is equal to 0, break. Otherwise, count plus plus. We got another one that we added, and total plus equals entry. And this will just keep going until we break. Another way to do it is to key off on while entry is not equal to 0, but then you have to put something else into entry. You have to create an entry up above, and then right here, and these don't have to be in an else because this break just hops out. And so if it doesn't break, then we want it to do both those things, and it will. Okay, so then right here, we're going to check. I did say if the user enters 0 on the first try, report that no numbers were entered. So if count is equal to 0 at this point, system.out.println, no values entered, no average calculated. And then I'm going to say else. And then we're going to give the average. And what did I make it look like? I reported how many numbers were entered. Count plus numbers entered. Average plus, you got to do parentheses here, 1.0 times. It's 1.0 times total divided by count. You got to do the 1.0 times, otherwise it will drop all the decimals, which is wrong. So when we do this output, I'm going to do, I think my numbers were 3, 4, 6, 3, 4, 6, and then 0. And it told me 3 numbers entered, and the average was 4.3 repeating. And let's run it again and enter 0 at the very beginning. And no values entered, no average calculated. So there you go, folks. There is the entire program. Right there. That's pretty.